Is 2025 the year your green card dreams finally take flight or hit a serious roadblock? Big changes are shaking up the immigration world this year. New forms, new requirements, new opportunities, and yes, brand new hurdles too. If you're planning to apply for a green card in 2025 or you're already deep in the process, this is crucial information you can't afford to miss. Let's dive in. Starting February 10th, 2025, USCIS will only accept the brand new version of Form I-485 for green card applications. And here's a major update. Your immigration medical exam, Form I-693, must now be submitted at the same time as your I-485. No more waiting. No second chances. The good news? COVID-19 vaccinations are no longer mandatory for immigration medical exams starting January 2025. The big takeaway: prepare your medicals early and correctly, or risk massive delays, or worse, a rejection. And speaking of delays, new green card applications are now taking around 9 to 14 months. But renewals? Brace yourself. Those could stretch out to a shocking 18.5 to 26.5 months. One real-world example: a New York applicant had to redo their entire application after 8 painful months because they submitted an outdated medical report. Don't let that be you. Double-check everything before you submit, even if an attorney prepared it. On the investment side, a game-changer is brewing: the Gold Card proposal. Invest $5 million into the U.S. economy and unlock a potential fast track to residency. This could eventually replace the traditional EB-5 program, but for now, EB-5 rules still stand. $1, 050, 000 for standard investments, $800,000 for targeted employment areas, and you must create or sustain 10 full-time U.S. jobs. Wealthier investors might find the Gold Card a much more attractive and faster option, but tread carefully. The program is still under review, and major changes could hit before it becomes official. Meanwhile, EB for green cards are getting slammed. Starting April 2025, new EB-4 applications are on hold until at least October 1st. Religious workers, special immigrant juveniles, and broadcasters, this directly affects you. Weddings abroad, eligibility timelines, travel plans, everything could be impacted. Backup strategies are more important than ever. And if you think enforcement is chilling out, think again. Expedited removal policies now apply nationwide, not just near the borders. Even green card holders can face immediate deportation without a full court hearing. Safe zones like schools and hospitals? No longer guaranteed. Stay extra cautious, especially if you have any unresolved issues. Humanitarian pathways like refugee and parole programs? Frozen for now. And travel just got a lot riskier. Green card holders from certain countries are already reporting tougher screenings and secondary inspections, even with valid documents. Always travel prepared. Carry your green card, your passport, and talk to an immigration lawyer before flying if you think you might be at risk. Now, let's talk alternatives. If you're looking for other pathways, employment-based visas remain strong options. EB-1 for extraordinary ability, EB-2 for advanced degrees or national interest waivers, and EB-3 for skilled workers. Students can still go from F-1 to green card through OPT, STEM extensions, H-1B sponsorships, and ultimately adjustment of status under EB-2 or EB-3. Marriage to a U.S. citizen remains the fastest way, but USCIS is cracking down harder than ever on marriage fraud. Shared finances, leases, joint trips, you'll need solid proof that your relationship is real. The diversity visa lottery remains another golden opportunity. 55,000 green cards are up for grabs every year. It's free to apply at dv-programmed.state.gov, but beware of scams. Now about backlogs. High demand from India, China, and the Philippines is stretching wait times into decades in some categories. Imagine waiting over 10 years for your green card. Children aging out of eligibility is a growing heartbreak. Families must plan early and understand how the Child Status Protection Act can protect dependent kids even after they turn 21. So, what's the key to surviving the green card process in 2025? Stay razor sharp. Use the latest forms directly from USCIS.gov. Submit your medical exam with your eye for 85 to avoid painful delays. Track your priority dates. Opt for premium processing if you can. Diversify your strategies. Think family, employment, lottery, and even investment if it fits your situation. And most importantly, consult an immigration attorney. One smart session could save you months of trouble. Final tip? Until your green card is safely in your hand, avoid risky international travel unless absolutely necessary. This year, winning the green card game isn't just about luck. It's about being faster, smarter, and more prepared than ever before. Stay proactive, stay informed, stay hopeful. And if you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Tripoint Report, and turn on the bell for all the latest immigration updates. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay prepared, and keep chasing your dreams with Tripoint Report.